Welcome to the video. We're going to be doing an Ethena crypto price prediction. With that said, let me share my screen with you and we're going to dive right in. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, I've got Ethena up on my screen now. It's trading at 95 cents at the time of me filming the video. You can see here, if we look at the 7-day chart for Ethena, it is down 33%. The 1-month chart showing us up 38%, 1 year is the same, and the all chart is showing up 49%. Now, when you see Ethena here, it really just came onto the scene very, very recently. So it's relatively new, and it's very tricky to predict what this is going to do. It has seen some decent growth since it came out of the gate here. When you look at its price here, 65 cents on the low side here. I see it as low as 55, and then I've seen it go as high as, well, let's see, its all-time high was $1.52 on April 11, 2024. Anyway, with that said, yes, it has been dipping a little bit as of late, but it's moved nicely since being released. And so I think that it's got potential. It's definitely got upside, and I'll share with you my price prediction AZ. With that said, if you look at Ethena here, if you want to look deeper into this project to learn more about it, which is what I do a little bit with every single project when I do price prediction videos, it's obviously not guaranteed that my price prediction is going to be correct. That could be completely wrong, of course. But I suggest going over to these projects' websites. If you're someone who wants to invest, make sure that you learn more about the projects and don't just think because I think it's going to do a certain thing that I'm going to be correct, okay? You have to understand this is just my opinion, all right? With that said, let's get to the price prediction for Ethena. Market cap 1.355 billion. It is ranked number 62 out of all cryptos right now. This is really interesting how new it is, and it's already like ranked number 62, right? Like, there's a lot of cryptos that try to get into the top 100 cryptos for years, and they can't do it. So this is very interesting to note for this project. How does a project like this just boom get into the top 100 in such a quick period of time? So keep that in mind. It's obviously got backing, it's got money coming into it, and without that it wouldn't be able to do that. So that is a positive when I'm looking at this. But we're going to get to a few things that I want you to be really mindful about when I share with you my price prediction on Ethena here in a couple moments. First things first, look at the fully diluted market cap, okay? 14.2 billion. This is way larger than the market cap up here. Now, this is because you only have 9.5% of the tokens in the circulating supply. So I'm going to give you my Ethena price prediction based off of this circulating supply and this market cap. I think that we're going to ultimately see Ethena continue to do well, should we, of course, see a strong bull run continue. Obviously, the bull run needs to continue in order for this project to continue to go up. So I think this project could definitely hit a $10 billion market cap with this circulating supply here. That would take you to around $7.22 from its current price. And that would be around a 7.69x from its current market cap and a 7.69x obviously from its current price as well. So $7.22 peak is what I think Ethena can do. But what really concerns me about this is this right here. So this is the red flag that I want you to be aware of. And I've seen this with a ton of cryptos. So take just literally the next minute to hear out what I'm about to share with you and use this information to make decisions when you're making investments in crypto. Look at this stuff before you just blindly jump in, okay? So you got about 10% of the tokens in the supply, okay? So what will happen most likely if we see Ethena continue to go up, okay? Let's say we see the bull run continue. Ethena goes up. It may explode in price, and it may explode in price past $7.22. My prediction is $7.22, but it may explode past that. And what you're going to see after that, after the crypto bull market is over, it'll drop down to who knows how low, maybe $1, maybe lower than $1, maybe 50 cents, maybe 20 cents, maybe 10 cents. I don't know. A lot of cryptos do this. What you're going to see is you're going to see this supply start to increase. So more tokens will be added to the mix. So in the near term, it's a short-term view. This project has been out for a very short period of time. It can absolutely skyrocket if our circulating supply stays here and we have demand, okay? But then people are going to dump off. You're going to have more tokens released, and that's going to hurt its ability to climb. So what you're going to see then by the next bull run, if Ethena is still around, the circulating supply, I don't know what obviously the tokenomics are, but this bar is going to go up and up and up, and the tokens, you'll have way more tokens in the supply, and it's going to be way harder for this project to get back to its all-time high. So I see this a lot of times with crypto projects. If you look at a lot of crypto projects in their very first bull run, they exploded massively in price. Right now, a lot of those projects are higher market caps than they were before, and they're way lower in price. And that is because back then there were less tokens in the circulating supply. So I'm seeing this with Ethena, and I just want to share this with you. I'm not saying do not invest in Ethena. You can make a lot of money in Ethena, of course, if it continues to boom, if it does climb to the upside strong, if we see a strong bull run. But be mindful of that, because eventually people will dump off, and eventually you're going to have more tokens added to the mix. And that is going to hurt this project and its price. And what you want to make sure is that you do not get caught in a scenario where if this thing goes to $4 or $5 and you buy in and you invest, your hard-earned money, or maybe your money's not hard-earned, maybe it is, whatever, I don't know that, right? But you invest your money, and let's say you invested $4 saying, oh, it's going to go to 8, it's going to go to 12. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. What if the bull market at that point is over, and then this thing tanks to like 20, 30 cents, and then you never ever get your money back because it takes 2, 3, 4 years maybe till you see another bull run. At least that's been the cycles of the crypto markets. And then you're going to be in a scenario where you'll have more tokens in the mix, and Ethena may never get back to $4. I'm just giving you a hypothetical scenario, right? So all I wanted to do was, in this video, I wanted to provide you with more value. While my price prediction for Ethena is $7.22, with this circulating supply and this market cap here, I said I think it can hit 10 billion. Obviously, if you see a strong bull run continue, I just want you to be aware of this so that you can make the best decisions for yourself if you want to invest in things like Ethena and or any other cryptos. All right, with that said, we're going to wrap up this video. This is my Ethena crypto price prediction. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Leave a like, leave a comment too if you have other crypto videos you want me to cover. Subscribe to the channel for a chance to win 100, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep getting these gains. Let's go.